Welcome back to Kluver Vibes. My name is Victoria, and this video is going to be a little bit different. This video, I recently started a challenge of 0 to 1,000. What does that mean? That means I want to share how I'm going to make $1,000 starting from 0. And here are a few ways that I started making money. Follow along in this journey and even try some of these moves out yourself. Latest finds: a walker and a bunch of yoga mats. Let's see what we get for them. When I get home, I take pictures of the item to show all the features, how it closes, the brand. I also like to show that if it has any special features, like this one is adjustable, and then how compactable it looks. This was our newest find, and we're gonna sell this today, and it's gonna go for $15. So that's gonna be the first money we made for our 0 to 1,000 challenge. We sold our first item starting with 0 money, so now we have $15 off of 0. So when you look for something on the side of the road, look to see on Facebook Marketplace and offer up what they're going for and if it's worth picking up and selling. Second thing we found on the side of the road, it is a margarita blender. We are gonna see if it works. We're gonna check the pricing on Facebook Marketplace and what it goes for retail to know where to price it at. Before I go and do research on the pricing, what the market is, I'm gonna actually make sure that it works because I don't wanna invest time in something that may not work. Okay, moment of truth to see if it works. Oh, shoot. How is this one? It works, people! Now, I personally like to make sure the item is clean that I'm going to be selling, so I got to take all these pieces apart and clean it before I sell. While those pieces are drying, let's see what else we have to work with. This is what it's looking like. Very gross. So now I have to YouTube how to disassemble this thing to clean. Okay, so now we're gonna let these items soak because we got the pieces off, and then this part is soaking as well. All right, we got it all cleaned up. Looks pretty good. I mean, not brand new, but way better than before. For the listing photos, I'm going to show how all the parts are clean, it looks sleek, and then just make sure that they know that the blender pieces have also been cleaned. And I try and take as many photos as possible so that they can see all the items that they are purchasing. Meeting this person halfway to sell the margarita blender. Just made $80. We found this bag of free yoga mats, and I'm gonna post them. I previously had them posted all together in one post, and I'm gonna take new pictures now to see if that creates some hype. And if not, I only hold the items for 30 days and then I take it to Goodwill. New photos are taken. We will see how it goes and I'll keep you guys posted. So far, only one yoga mat sold, making us $5. Now, I found this grill on the side of the road. I was really nervous about taking it home, but it looked like it was in good shape, and I thought, why not try it out? And of course, I had to clean it first. This piece stayed on the market a little bit longer, but we sold it for $40. I'm pretty happy, and it's gone. It took 3 weeks to sell.